So we're starting with a recapitulation, really, of the map of consciousness, because historically that's how it evolved. The work was first published as a PhD dissertation called Quantitative and Qualitative Analysis and Calibration of the Levels of Human Consciousness. Complete with the null hypothesis, p is less than 0.001, statistical analysis, and it was sufficiently impressive that when presented to the faculty, who has to all vote on it, I presented it during their vacation time, and the dean called them back from their vacation. And would you believe the academic community came back from their vacation to review the material because they thought it was so remarkable. Actually, it's the E equals mc squared of the nonlinear domain, so I guess that caused excitement. I say these things from a jocular viewpoint, you understand?